Namaste everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the heart of a nation brimming with potential, India. With a population exceeding 1.4 billion people, India's sheer scale is staggering, and so are its ambitions. In recent years, India has undergone a remarkable transformation. The economy is booming, innovation is flourishing, and the world is taking notice. So, what's fueling this incredible rise? In this video, we'll unravel the top 3 drivers that could propel India into the league of global economic superpowers. Get ready to be inspired. India possesses a treasure trove of potential, its young population. More than half of India is under the age of 25, and they are the engine driving India's growth story. This isn't just about numbers, it's about the dynamism, the fresh perspectives and the raw talent that this young workforce brings to the table. They are digital natives, comfortable with technology and eager to embrace innovation. But to truly harness this potential, we need to invest in their future. Education is key, equipping them with the skills and knowledge to thrive in the 21st century workforce. Imagine a generation of young Indians, armed with the right tools and opportunities, driving India's growth story. As these young minds connect with their global counterparts, the possibilities are limitless. From bustling metropolises to remote villages, India is experiencing a digital revolution. The internet is no longer a luxury, it's becoming a lifeline, bridging the gap between urban and rural India. The growth of digital infrastructure has been nothing short of phenomenal. We're talking about a country that's gone from dial-up connections to smartphones in the blink of an eye. India's tech industry is booming, with startups mushrooming across the country. These young companies are developing homegrown solutions for India's unique challenges. But this digital journey is not without its hurdles. To truly unlock the transformative power of technology, we need to address challenges like internet penetration and digital literacy. Imagine a future where every Indian, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to participate in the digital economy. Chapter 3, Made in India, Unleashing the Manufacturing Powerhouse. India has always been known for its craftsmanship, its ability to create beautiful and intricate things. Now, imagine that artistry combined with cutting-edge technology and large-scale manufacturing. That's the vision behind Make in India, a bold initiative aimed at transforming India into a global manufacturing hub. Foreign investors are recognizing the immense potential of this initiative, pouring in billions of dollars to set up shop in India. This influx of investment is creating jobs, boosting exports, and propelling India's economic growth. We need to streamline regulations, cut red tape, and create a business-friendly environment that encourages innovation and entrepreneurship. Imagine a future where products proudly stamped Made in India are sought after across the globe. India's journey towards becoming an economic superpower is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be challenges along the way, but the spirit of India is one of resilience and determination. We've explored the 3 key drivers that are fueling India's economic engine: the demographic dividend, digital transformation, and the manufacturing revolution. To truly unlock India's full potential, we need to continue investing in our people, our infrastructure, and our technological prowess. By 2047, India could very well be among the world's largest economies, playing a pivotal role in shaping the global economic landscape. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more content.